Make a splash is an idiomatic expression often used to describe a significant and attention-grabbing entrance or impact in a particular situation. This phrase originates from the imagery of throwing an object, like a stone, into a body of water, causing ripples and splashes that attract notice. In a broader sense, it signifies making a memorable and influential debut, often with the intention of leaving a lasting impression. When someone is encouraged to make a splash, they are being urged to go beyond the ordinary and embrace boldness, creativity, or innovation. It's about transcending the mundane and stepping into the spotlight with a captivating and striking entrance. Whether in the realm of business, entertainment, or personal endeavors, making a splash implies the desire to stand out, provoke curiosity, and capture the attention of others. To make a splash can also imply taking calculated risks and defying conventions. It encourages individuals to break free from their comfort zones and venture into uncharted territories. This willingness to challenge the status quo often results in surprising and remarkable outcomes that resonate with people. The concept of making a splash is frequently applied in various contexts. In the business world, a new product launch or marketing campaign can be designed to make a splash by generating buzz, excitement, and media coverage. This can create a sense of anticipation among consumers and potentially lead to higher engagement and sales. In the entertainment industry, artists, actors, and performers are often advised to make a splash when introducing their latest work or project. This might involve orchestrating attention-grabbing events, leveraging social media strategies, or unveiling something truly unique that captivates audiences and leaves a lasting impression. In personal and social situations, making a splash can be a way to mark significant life events, such as throwing an extravagant party for a milestone celebration, delivering an unforgettable speech at a gathering, or embarking on an adventure that becomes a talking point among friends and family. However, making a splash isn't just about drawing attention for its own sake. It's essential to back up the initial impact with substance and authenticity. A flashy entrance alone might capture attention momentarily, but it's the quality, consistency, and value of one's actions that truly determine whether the splash will have a lasting and positive impact. In conclusion, making a splash is a metaphorical expression that embodies the spirit of daring to be different, striving for excellence, and leaving an indelible mark on a particular sphere. It encourages individuals and entities to embrace innovation, take risks, and infuse their endeavors with a sense of excitement and distinction. Just like a stone thrown into water, the ripples and splashes created by such actions have the power to resonate far beyond the initial point of impact.